Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to talking something about these type of Bluetooth speakers, these type of Bluetooth headphones. If you have these type of headphones or collar earphones or dongle airpod or AirDops or air any kind of earphones, then you should watch this video properly until the end. You're gonna ask me why you should do so, because it's very important to all of us, because there is a trick over there, a tutorial over there, that means you will gonna love this video. You're gonna ask me why, because that problem may be burst your mind or maybe give you very big problem in future. Then how we can do and what we can do? First of all, think that you have Bluetooth earphone, headphones or speaker. First time what you will do, you will connect with your mobile phone, then you're gonna try to connect it with any other mobile phone, and you gonna face that problem that you don't able to get this device into pairing mode. And you gonna think that how I can pair my these type of devices with a mobile phone or laptop or computer, whatever thing you are using. Then you gonna ask me why and how we can do so. There is a option on these type of things that you can easily use and connect again with any kind of device. So before proceeding, just requesting you like the video. This video gonna help you very greatly. Now what we have to do, all the devices has a switch on and off button. 99% of devices has a switch on and off button, and when you press this, it will it will starts giving indications by any LED indicator, and you leave this button. You think that the device is on now, but you need to get into pairing mode, and for that you have to learn a thing. First of all, just switch off this device or this kind of any device, and keep pressing this button after when you on this device. First switch off this device, and after that, for switching on this device, keep press this button. Even if its indicator starts giving you indication of switched on, but keep pressed it for few long seconds so that it can get into pairing mode. In my many scenarios, its indicator starts blinking red, green, blue kind of thing, and in many scenarios it's just speak that it's getting to pairing mode or switching on the Bluetooth. And that means now you can easily connect your any other device with your mobile phone, with your Bluetooth earphones, speakers or collar earphones are like this. Hope this video gonna help you out in this problem. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with the family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning.